Okay, guys. Here my topic is WebElement methods. Okay. So WebElement methods. So here I'm giving the syntax of the WebElement. Syntax of the WebElement is web WebElement element equals to driver dot find element by dot locator, and the locator value we can say, and semicolon. Okay, so this is the WebElement initialization syntax. Okay, now so we can here I'm saying that there is a total, we are discussing now 13 methods of WebElement. Okay, the first method is, so the first method name is send keys. Method name is send keys, and the parameter contains characters args. Okay, so character sequence it contains. Okay, the parameter is character sequence. So method name is send keys, and return type is void. Return type is void. And what is the syntax? Syntax is nothing but a element dot send keys. Here I am giving you just a simple keys selenium. Okay. So now you can see, so this is the syntax. And what is the use of this method? What is the use of this method? Uses is, it is used to enter the value to the text boxes. Enter the values to the text boxes. Okay. Now we can see, and this is the first method. So just wait a minute. So this is the first method, and here serial number 2, and the second method name is click method. Method name is click, and the return type is void again, and the syntax follows element dot click. What is meant by click means, so why we are using this click means, it is used to, it is used to click the buttons in WebElement. Click the buttons in WebElement. Okay. Now the serial number is star, and there is a clear method. Which method it is? Clear. Clear is using to, so the syntax follows element dot clear. It is used to clear the existing contents in text boxes. Existing content in text boxes. So already we are writing something wrong. So we can clear using this method. Okay. And the fourth method is submit method. Method name is submit. And the syntax follows element dot submit. Element dot submit. And why we are using this method means it is used to submit the it is used to submit the so mainly it is used to submit buttons. Okay, so if there is any submit button type button, so directly we can use the submit method. Okay, now and the fifth method is get text. Method name is get text. And what is the syntax of this getText method means before that we need to know the return type is string. Why we don't need to return any values. So but coming to the string, we need to follow the syntax string text equals to text equals to element dot get text. Element dot get text. So this is the syntax. It is used to it is used to get to the text of the web element. Text of the web element. Okay. So getText is the string return type. And the sixth one is the method name is get tag name and the return types follows string tag equals to element dot get tag name. Element dot get tag name. And why we are using this method means it is used to get the tag name of element. Okay. Now and the return type also follows it is also string. Okay. Now the seventh element is the return type is string. The element name is get um, attribute value. And here we need to give the parameters follow string key. Okay. So and the syntax follows string. Okay, string value equals to element dot get attribute value. Element dot get attribute element dot get attribute value. Here we need to pass that. So okay, so this is the attribute syntax. And why we are using it is used to get the attribute value of attribute value of element. And the eighth method is and method name is get size. Get size. And the return type is dimension predefined class. Dimension predefined class. And the syntax follows string size equals to, sorry, not a string. So we need to use the dimension. Dimension size equals to element dot get size. So, and what is the use? It is used to get the height and height and width of element, height and width of element. And the ninth method is is displayed method, and the return type is boolean, and the syntax follows boolean display equals to element dot is displayed. Why we are using this method means it is used to know the element element is displaying or not. It is used to element is displaying or not. And the 10th method is return type is boolean again, and the method name is selected. Method name is selected, and the syntax follows boolean select equals to element dot is selected. Element dot is selected. And why we are using this method means it is used to know the element is selected or not. Mainly we are using in a checkboxes and radio buttons. Selected or not. Okay. So now, and the final method here I'm following 11th method. So the method return type is boolean, and the method name is enabled, and the syntax follows boolean enable equals to element dot is enabled. So why we are using means it is used to know the element is enabled or not. So this is the use of your names and return types and syntaxes of methods followed by WebElement. Okay.